Hello and welcome, guys. You're welcome to our new series called React JS. Yes, guys, React JS. We are learn much more important and basic concepts of React JS in the whole series. And guys, we are divided this series into three parts. But guys, we why make the series? Because the much more series are available in the YouTube and anywhere also. But guys, this series will only make because my friends are says to me the theoretical knowledge is important, but the learning of the theoretical knowledge is very simple. But guys, after learning the theoretical knowledge, the implementation for the theoretical knowledge and make the real world project or make any project using the particular knowledge is much harder to the students. So this is main thing we are search in all the students and make this overall series. So guys, we are divided the series into three parts. The first part of that series is the working of the JavaScript in basics and important ways. And guys, we are covers the underworking of the JavaScript in the browser. And guys, in the second part, we covers basic, intermediate, and advanced level concepts of the React.js. In third part, we cover three projects. Yes, guys, we cover three projects in the overall series. Because of these projects, we are learn theoretical and always practical implementation of the projects using the theoretical knowledge. So guys, I think you are excited about the series. Okay, and guys, we get says you also learn a much more important thing by considering the future. We are included in this series called prompt engineering. Yes, guys, we are included and include the overall series also with the prompt engineering. So guys, you learn in the overall series the prompt engineering much and some basic concepts also. And guys, we are also cover the real world projects in the series. Means in these three projects we are covered first clone Swiggy, second is YouTube, and third is the Netflix GPT. Yes, guys, we make three projects in the overall series: Netflix, YouTube, and Swiggy clone. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. And guys, we use the real world data to make the real world projects. And because of that, your theoretical implementation to get practical knowledge. Yes, guys, I think you are excited. Okay, click. And yeah, before starting the series, we are introduce myself. My name is Prem Radhisham Mahajan, and I am teach you the overall series to you. I am second year MCA student, and I have a 2 year coding experience knowledge. And guys, we create total four projects in my first year using C Sharp, ASP.NET, MySQL Server, Python, ChatGPT, and machine learning like concept. So guys, there are much more important things we are covered in this whole series for the React.js, JavaScript, and also cover the three projects in the overall series. You are here in this session. Okay, guys. So we are meet in the series to you and explain the concepts to you. Okay, bye.